So maybe some people that listen to us have a questions in mind. That is it possible to be a sustainable company when we are active in an industry such as yours, in the chemical industry? What kind of reaction do you have for such a question?
Well, that's effectively a good question, because the chemical industry, generally speaking, doesn't have a nice image. And in fact, the chemical industry needs to transform, and we're transforming also. The chemical industry started by offering synthetic products that were replacing natural products. They were more performant than natural products, but sometimes at the cost of an environmental footprint that was not measured at that time. And now we know. And sometimes we have to change and to move. I think the chemistry of the future is a very different chemistry. The chemistry of the future is a chemistry that solves a problem. There are global challenges today. We have to accept that industry contributed to create some of them. And in fact, we recognize that in our own sustainability policy, which was not obvious. But we also believe that we are part of the solution, in that there are many areas where there is no solution possible without the help of chemistry. But it's a transformation. And that's also why we focus a lot on our sustainable portfolio management indicator, and to know if our products are part of the problem or part of the solution.
The perception of the chemical industry is most likely on the problem side. So, and we see how the companies reacted to that. So you have the Johnson & Johnson blacklist, IKEA blacklist, etc. Those are all about chemical products. So the way we are perceived being mostly so on the bad guy side, reacting on it, it means also that obviously we are part of the solution, as those blacklisted substances, products, have to be displaced by other ones that are selected, looked for, because they perceive being part of the solution. So when you develop a silicone-free shampoo, first you have the statement about, well, silicone is bad in shampoo, and the logic, there is no safety, HSE logic behind that. This is based on the perception of citizens, some of them, enough of them, so that the shampoo makers, they do develop silicone-free brands. They brand it like this, and this means also that you have to find new chemicals or existing chemicals that do deliver the same functionalities as the silicone in a shampoo formulation, and this is where you're part of the solution. And this mirrors the statement made at the beginning. Are we part of the problem or the solution? Sometimes part of the problem, sometimes part of the solution, and we would like to be much more a part of the solution.